So Ancestry has a new feature where you can attach a DNA match to your family tree. You have to add them to your tree first, and then you can attach them. This is a beta feature. Not everyone has it yet, and maybe everyone won't get it, but I think they will. It's pretty nifty. So in this case, here's my father's cousin, Jerry, and I know who he is. I've added him to my tree, and it's very simple from here. This symbol right here, I click it. It says I can search for Jerry Canavan in this tree, my tree. And I'll type a name to search with. I'm going to search for Jerry. And there he is, because I've entered him. Jerry Canavan is living. And when I select him, you'll notice that the icon is going to change. It's going to show that he is attached now, and he's in my tree. And you can do this for any match you can identify that you want in your tree.